Prophecies mentioned in Matthew's Gospel were often given centuries before they came to pass. Hence, prophetic fulfillment, however, was not always immediate. Predictions validated the authenticity of prophecies to be fulfilled much later in the future. Isaiah 7 verse 16 says, biblical predictions were focused on God's unfolding plan of redemption and the fulfillment of His promises to His people. On the 31st of August 2020, the Lord spoke to Prophet Valerie Muchuwa about the rains in Zimbabwe. This prediction, according to the word, came to pass. And these were his words. Quote, Dear farmers, God is sending you a gift of rain. God told me to tell you, prepare your fields. It's going to rain. Your struggles are going to be over. We will get a field of dirt that has turned to mud. God will bring rain. We need to be ready for it. We can see that we need to be ready for when God sends the rain. If we trust God, our life actions will show that we truly depend upon Him for all things. He further mentioned on the 23rd of December 2020 concerning the floods, and these were his exact words. He said, on the 11th of January 2021, the Weather Services Department warned that some low-lying areas could be hit by floods in the coming days. We thank God and are so blessed that no lives were lost. As Prophet said, God still speaks. Oh my God, do you know how true his prediction was and still is? Do you know that these floods are still in this country as we speak? Do you remember him telling people to get connected with farmers and that there is going to be great potential in the agricultural farming? Now, this is for you to answer. He further said in his prophecy, God is opening the heavens, the storehouse of his bounty, to send rain on our land. Remember, make hay while the sun shines. Rain is coming and will go. So, work fast and work smart. Based on how prophets are described throughout the scripture and what they are tasked to do, isn't much different than what the dictionary says. It's like God's spokesman for a given time and place. Jeremiah 1 verse 9 to 11. Then the Lord put forth his hand and touched my mouth. And the Lord said to me, Behold, I have put my words in your mouth. See, I have this day set over the nations and over the kingdoms to root out and pull down, to destroy and to throw down, to build and to plant. Being chosen as a prophet is considered a honor, and it demands courage, diligence, and selflessness.
Muchene, Muchene, Dimi ba.